is horrible.
Go!
I'm freaking gold and I'm feeding Megan.
You should let me feed myself.
This isn't fair. Oh, Megan, hurry.
It's down my butt crack.
It's cold. It's cold. Oh, it's cold. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold. Let's go under the boat thingy. Okay, we're going under the boat thingy because it's it's cold. Okay. God, do you hear this?
Right here, right here.
Right here. Okay, we're coming over here. Golly, it's raining. I'm wet.
I'm wet too.
I'm wet.
It's raining. It's pouring.
Oh man, it's I don't ever have days like this, but God.
You want to go to my house? My house.
Yes.
Look.
My camera. You're gonna get wet. Just hold on a second. I don't know how to do this. Feels a lot better in here. How do we turn on that light?
Well, hold this and I'll turn it on.
Now eat that food. Eat it, eat it, eat it.
You gotta eat some. I'm getting full.
No, I can't. I have to pee. And I don't like beans.
Oh.
What the freak? Do you feel rain like pour down your foot or something? Okay, well, I guess I'm going to go now. Bye. Say bye, Megan.
Bye.